Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today, or our lesson today, 3-1, Key Features of Quadratic Function. Okay, um, I know you don't know, I know you don't know here. What is the key features? And what we mean, we will study the key features of quadratic function. Quadratic function, I know you know it, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, and this is the standard form for all quadratic function. Okay, you have to know that this is standard form. Before it has become like this, it was like this, and we call this parent function. When it is married, he have the first guy, the first son px, and the little girl c. Okay, and just we will study today only the Mr. Parent here, okay, and see what happen if a is a big number, okay, like 100, like 5, 7, 15, 100. All of these is a big number because it is bigger than 1, okay. And if it is a small number like 0.1, 0.3, 0.9, and those numbers are small number because they are less than 1, okay, what will happen for the parent if it is -7 or it is negative 0.7? What will happen for this? So this is our mission, my dear student. But what will happen where? Graphically. So we will graph. Okay, first of all, let us see how the x square, when this guy is 1, how the graph will look like. The graph of the parent before it is married, it is look like this, my dear student. If a is 1. Are you happy with that? Okay. And the graph, if it is -1, will be flipped upside down, will be go downward like this. So this is for negative, and this is for positive. For whom? For the parent. Okay, good. Now our mission to know if this x square has for example 3. Let me change the color. Has 3. What will happen for the parent here? Actually it is positive, so it is upward, okay, and because the number here more than 1, it will be narrow, so it will be narrow like this. Okay, and if you make the number bigger, for example 20, it will be like this, more narrow. Okay, are you happy with that? Good. Okay, teacher, what if this will be less than 1? For example 0.3. It will be wider like this. Only this, teacher? Yes. And if it is smaller than 0.3, like 0.1, it will be more wider. Now you know the relation. Okay, are you happy with that? Really? Me too. I'm not happy. You are happy? I hope so. See here. See here. This is 100x squared. This is the parent, x squared. 1x squared. If it is bigger, see, it will be narrow. If it is smaller, will be wider. See? See? Less than 1 will be wider. See, I will change the 0.5. I will make it 0.9. Less than 1 will be wider. I will make it 0.5. See? Wider. I will make it more than, greater than 1. Like 6x squared. See? It will be narrow. Okay, you understand the relation? Good. Good. Now let us do this example fast. How does the value of in each function affect in its graph when compared to the graph of the quadratic parent? For example, gx equal 4x squared. That means, let me draw the parent first of all. When I say the parent, I mean x squared. When I say the parent, that means x squared, that means the a equal 1. Now the a equal 4 here. Yes? Now I will draw the parent. I will suppose this is the parent. Okay. Now 4 means narrower. Yes? So it will be look like this. This is g of x equal 4x squared. Are you happy with that? Good. Now what about this one? H of x equal 0.8 x squared. It will be wider or narrow? Yes, it will be wider. So it will be more wider than the parent. You see? Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, what about j of x here? It is negative. Be careful. Negative, directly you have to flip this guy. I will flip the parent first. Yes, this is the parent. And it is 5, so it will be narrow, yes? Like this. Let me change the color. Yes, this one. It will be narrow. Okay, are you happy with that? Okay, what if it is negative and less than 1? It is downward, okay, and downward and wider. Yes, thank you. Downward and wider. Are you happy with that? Good. You see this point, my dear student, here, this point here. It is a maximum point on the graph, and we call it vertex. What we call it? Vertex. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, what else? So my dear student, if the graph is downward, it will have maximum value here. So the maximum value will be 0 and 0 here. And if it is positive, it will be like this, yes? The vertex will be minimum value. I don't understand, teacher. Okay, minimum, see? Where's the lowest point here? This one, yes? And because of that, we call it, it is minimum. So if it is upward, we have minimum value. The vertex will be minimum value. But if it is downward, it will be maximum value. Okay? I will be dizzy like this. Okay, this is all, I think. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit from this video. Okay, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to graph this and this and this and bring it tomorrow, my dear student. Love you. Goodbye.